about to install the charge pipe on the 135i, and we're about to install a blow-off valve because right now the blow-off valve doesn't. Yo, does it even have a blow-off valve? It has a diverter valve, so pretty much it doesn't sound like anything. You know, it doesn't make. Yeah, you don't really hear it. So this is a, what is this? HKS, right? Yeah. So this is a HKS blow-off valve. Who makes a charge pipe?
VRSF.
VRSF?
Or VSRF. Okay,
so blow-off valve is gonna mount right there, and let's see how this goes. Hopefully, it shouldn't be too bad. Probably take like what, like an hour? You think?
Probably less.
Probably less. Hopefully less. Neighbor just gave us some ices randomly. You know, summertime shit. But all right, let's see.
Summer vibes.
Yeah, summer vibes, bro. You know, it's gonna sound like whoosh, you know, pretty much. Harmon doesn't know what he's doing. Yeah, he doesn't know what he's doing. He's just taking off clamps. Hopefully we find out what we're doing. I don't think we're gonna know what we're doing till we break shit, but oh, he's already breaking shit. It's gonna mount like that. It'll look pretty cool. You're gonna have mad clout, bro, every time you hit boost and let off.
Fuck that shit.
It's actually pretty good quality though.
How does it even go on?
Yeah, like that. And then you have the other clamp. Nick, what are you tightening? It doesn't tighten.
And you put that shit over it then.
Yeah. You run vacuum lines to this too? What is this for?
Charge pipe. What do you mean, this?
Yeah.
The map sensor.
That's mass small. So like we think they need to like remove these Allen key bolts or whatever they are in order to get this off, and you can access the bottom of the intake area, but we don't know how to remove it. This guy's just been trying to like rip it off. I don't think that's how it works, but yo, bro, I'm pretty sure that this you need to remove this. I'm pretty sure.
Bolts under it. Take it off.
Or purple, probably purple.
Maybe it won't be dirty at all.
It's white.
Oh, it's
or
like in blue.
gray, whatever. Yo, bro, you're trying to rip it off. There's like those in there. Man, stupid. Probably like another one here, I think. Is there anything here? I think, bro, what are you doing? Man, there's like a clamp right there, bro. Chill out.
Not bad.
Okay, so this little section comes off with more Allen keys.
How do you know?
It's right there. There's one right there.
We're gonna take this box off.
Okay, so
Allen keys were fine.
Yeah, so just take off those Allen keys. And the LS swap is complete. Alright, just turn it on like that. Come on, put on the wrench time, bro.
Can you hold up?
I'm holding. Should have made a time lapse. That would have been cool. Too late now. I think did you loosen the bottom one?
What do you mean the bottom? Yo, I don't care about that.
Damn, bro. Rich guy out here. Doesn't care about his parts. You could have sold it.
Sold it to who? Who wants this janky ass shit?
Damn.
If anybody wants it,
Let
it's
him.
dumb.
Why?
You can just get a better one. This shit's gonna blow anyways.
Are you serious? Are they known to blow?
Yeah, they're known to blow.
No way.
Yeah.
Damn, what doesn't blow off the goddamn N54? You already had to replace your front main seal. That was pretty cheap of a job, right? Waste
breaks
rattle.
too.
What, like
This breaks. This
the
starts
valve,
leaking
like
eventually.
the cover?
Yeah.
That breaks?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's gonna break eventually.
I mean, that's not mandatory though. You don't really need it.
It's
Okay.
gonna start leaking onto your downpipes.
Bro, this is just a cover.
No. The shit under it.
Valve cover?
Yeah. Valve cover, not that bullshit case. Everybody takes that shit off anyways.
The valve cover, like, it gets a hole in it? Okay, what else?
True. That's his problem.
Yo, you definitely want to get one of these magnetic pickup tool thingies. Because, you know, when you drop stuff in the engine bay and you can't find it, just kind of stab it around, poke it around, and hopefully you'll pick it up. And I don't think he's picking anything up, but... Pressure wash it? I have the pressure washer in the back.
Yeah, bring it, bro.
Bring it? Pressure wash? And then I heard if you turn your car on while you're pressure washing it, it cleans off, like, the carbon on the pistons, too.
No way.
Way, bro. And you don't need to do walnut blasting either. You gotta have that on there. It's gonna seal like that. And you don't want to do that, but okay. Put enough pressure on it. Are you sure there isn't a gasket that comes with this?
Maybe.
Okay, so you're gonna install the mass
This is why we shouldn't work on cars, bro.
Mass airflow sensor.
Did you see that?
It's gonna be a really tight fit. You gotta have to like wiggle it in there. Keep that O-ring on there. And now you're gonna install the 2 bolts that come on here, and then what are you doing right now? Installing a vacuum line.
Yeah, the whole. We gotta go get the.
It connects right up next to the throttle. Right there on the right side of it, and you gotta connect it to the charge pipe. Do you have to cut it or no? I don't think it's mandatory.
It's not mandatory. It's just gonna go on the intake. Not the intake.
Charge pipe.
Charge pipe. Blow off.
Oh, okay.
Nothing goes back to.
All right, so guys, as you can see, the flange where the blow-off valve goes is pretty beat on. I hope it says, well, you know, it's not easy getting that snap ring on. Even if you have snap ring pliers, we went out, we paid $30 for a full set, and they don't want to work. Like, it's really awkward. It's an awkward position, and you need 2 people. 1 person hold the blow-off valve. You got to manhandle the snap ring in there with a needle nose plier. Somehow we got it in. We got really lucky, but we've spent how long on this?
Too long.
Like about 2 hours probably. You know, first we went out to AutoZone. AutoZone didn't have it. We went out to Home Depot. Home Depot didn't have it. And now we're finally, somehow I manhandled the snap ring on there, and it's fine. Before it popped off. So hopefully it stays on there, and let's see where this goddamn fucking goes. Hopefully it stays on there. Oh, it didn't stay on there. It didn't. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Bro! Bro! You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. This is like the hardest install. We might as well like LS swap this, bro. Do you know how hard this is? Oh man. Bro, we're not trying to spend $10 on the tool, so I'm just trying to see if it works.
I go to Home Depot.
But what if Home Depot has the same size? Try to install this without buying the tool, and AutoZone didn't have the correct tool. So now you gotta go to Home Depot because you need angled needle nose pliers, and the ones they had were too thick and they didn't go in the 2 little holes that the little ring has, the little clip. So now we're going to Home Depot to pick them up.
5 hours later.
So guys, the reason why it took so long, we went to we went to Advanced Auto after this, and well before, and we picked up this, right? And this one has like a 45-degree angle. So pretty much they gave us 2 O-rings. So this is a universal kit. We were using the bigger O-ring that went around the outside edge. It turns out we needed the smaller one for this blow-off valve to fit with this charge pipe. So that's what we ended up doing, and it took literally 5 seconds for me to snap the snap ring in, and that's it. We're fine. Like, I can move it around. Like, I don't know if it's... Yo, is this supposed to move around? It moves around a little bit. Like, I can shift it, but...
It's not a big deal.
It shouldn't be a big deal as long as the snap rings are holding it in. Should be fine. We have an O-ring in there, so it doesn't, you know. I mean, he pulled on it. Yeah, we should be fine.
Can you bring a scissor now?
I guess we'll find out when it doesn't go whoosh anymore. You hear it?
You hear it?
Yeah. Go rev it. Turn it off. It popped off. It dead ass popped off.
I saw it pop up.
Well, oh, we don't know where the O-ring is.
Maybe we gotta put the other O-ring. Yo, I just saw a bang. I saw it go up.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright guys, like and subscribe. Alright, take care, have a nice day.